Look what my mother found. This one is a DIY face mask maker, so you can make your own face mask with anything you like. It is by Lidl. Silvercrest is their own brand, so it isn't too expensive. I guess it was 25 euro. And you get this main machine which opens up at the top, and inside you put any liquid you would like your face mask to be. Add one of these collagen pills, everything is mixed up, and then pour it into this face mask mold. So we decided if we are going to make this a real DIY experience, we're going to DIY the whole thing and make a face mask that you can't recreate at home. And for that, we're going to use our own wine. My father has a vineyard. This one is from France. We made it ourselves, and we're going to put it in a face mask for the resveratrol and all the French goodness. But I think I need to take my makeup off first. It's done. This is a DIY collagen face mask with red wine. As you can see, I had to adjust the mask a little because the eye holes were just too small, and yeah, it kind of adheres pretty well to the face. It smells like red wine. Hope I'm not going to reek as if I drank the whole night tomorrow. I want to use this opportunity though to show you that, to tell you a little bit about DIY face masks, because this will of course not be the same as a face mask that you can buy. The resveratrol that I get from the red wine will not be the same that the one I'll get from, let's say, cowdaily serum. If you use milk, it won't be the same as lactic acid, and if you use fruit enzymes or fruit juices, it will, oh, it's kind of falling apart. This mask was not meant for talking. If you use fruit juices, it won't have the same effect as an AHA will have, because these are refined and more potent forms, and these whole fruit acid things are much weaker. But it's fun. Okay, I wore the face mask for about 15 minutes, which was kind of uncomfortable because with the warmth of the skin it started to disintegrate and just to melt off my face. So this is definitely one to lay down with. It was comfortable though. I'm not sure if my DIY concoction with red wine did anything good for my skin, but so far it was actually really fun. I'm making one for my mother. She's currently laying down on the couch, and I'm going to treat her to a red wine face mask. Do I think you really need it? No, it's not expensive. It was 25 euro and you get 25 collagen pills, so you can make 25 different face masks. And if you're someone who likes his DIY face mask with yogurt and milk and apple juice and whatever, which I don't, then this is probably a great investment for you. I will stick to my regular pot face mask and yeah, leave that for a fun girls' pajama sleepover, whatever. That's it. See you. Bye.